beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube, and if those are the kinds of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video I am going to review the new Turtle Forever Flawless palette from Revolution. Now, I did review the Dolphin palette in collaboration with Makeup with Alex Kate, but I asked Lucy's Patreon yesterday, I believe, like which palette should I review next, and the Turtle palette is what Danny chose. Yes, I think it was Danny chose the Turtle palette, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the packaging and I love the colours, and I love that there's so many mattes already. There's there's 7 mattes when I thought there would be more, but you know, it's still a nice variety of mattes in this palette. I am thinking, I did a pink look yesterday, so maybe we should do something blue and green. Let's go for that. Let me just do swatches and I'll be back. Okay, here is the swatches of the palette. Now, you've got the first, second and a really bad third row there that I've swatched badly. You might hear my little sister in the background. She is here. I'll put a picture like up there of I swatched the palette and she had to swatch it too. But the shades swatched really well. There was no dud shades in it. They swatched really lovely. There's some nice purples in there which I'm drawn towards, but I feel like because I did a pink look yesterday, I'm gonna have to do a green look today, maybe with a bit of a blue, because there is a blue here and then these greens, but it all really swatched well. I'm excited to play with this now. The first shade I've chosen is this shade here called Tropic. Oh my god, that is so dusty. I'm hoping you can see that. Okay, the next shade I want to go in with is this blue shade here called Azul. Okay, so the next shade I feel like I want to go in with is either this shade here called Wave or this green shade called Coral Reef. Tiff, do you want to choose? Should I go for Wave or Coral Reef?
Wave.
Wave, the blue one, yeah. Okay, so we're going for this shade here, Wave. It's a bit patchy, or is that... Let's see. Maybe I have to go over it one more time. Alright, so I feel like it's a little bit patchy and I just need to add a little bit more colour. So I'm going to go off camera, go in with the same shades, and then we will do a lid shade. I don't know if I can be bothered to cut my crease, but we'll see. Let me just do this again, and if I do come back and cut my crease, then you know I could be bothered. It's blended out really well. Now I just need to do a lid shade, and I feel like it's out of the shade Odyssey and Shell. So again, Tiff, Odyssey or Shell?
Sea.
Shell.
The sea.
Odyssey.
The sea.
Odyssey.
The sea.
This one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Odyssey, she's chosen.
The sea.
Odyssey. I can't bother to cut my crease, to be honest. Oh, it's a nice shade. Wow. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I feel like I need to go in with this shade here called Ocean and just blend it out. If you can hear water running, it's because my little sister has just washed her hands after going wee. There's probably too much information, but just letting you know. Let's add this one here just to blend it out. Gonna add a bit more of Wave. That is the eye look. Now I'm just going to go off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, then we're going to come back and do under the eye. I might have taken it a step too far and used the PS Pro liner. It's not Pro, it's just PS Primer liner in the shade Emerald. We have to finish off under the eyes, otherwise it's just not going to... It's just not going to match. This colour does make my teeth look a bit yellow as well. Alright, Tiff. Let's go in with the blue shade first, Azul, and just put that on my lower lash line. Then we've got to connect it and go in with Tropic underneath, and I'm really going to blow this out because it's blowed out on the edges, so I might as well blow it out underneath. You're not in there. And don't say you better not be in there when you're walking towards the camera. You are.
Not.
Are.
Not.
To.
No.
Yeah. Alright, so just gonna add liner, lashes, and we're gonna come back and talk about this palette. But I like this, I really do. Like, I'm proper impressed with the pigmentation of this palette. I might tidy a little bit up around here, but the only issue is I've got that shadow naturally in my eye, so no matter what, it just looks like something's unblended when it's not. But yeah, let me just finish off the eyes and come back. Okay, I feel like I'm finished. I feel like this look is complete, and let's just talk about this palette, because this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I actually went in with the Fruity Pebbles highlighter on my lips over the green liner, and then I actually took this blue liner by Primark as well, and I can't find the shade, but it's literally a blue version of the green one, just around the edges. Let's talk about this. I am so in love with this bloody palette. £12, you can't go wrong. I love how you can either do like a green or a pink purpley look. Like, its color story is so lovely. I'm really in love with this palette. The mattes worked beautifully, the shimmer worked amazingly, had no issues with any of these colors. There's a lot of music going on outside. It sounds like a lot of drum and bass or something, but this palette is so good. Like, I've done a TikTok already as well, that's why it's taken me a little while to get to this, and now my lips are kind of a bit separated. But oh my god, this palette, you need this palette in your life. I can't stop looking at the eyeshadow look. Like, I'm wearing Roxy lashes, Roxy liner as usual. I'm actually trying a different primer today. I've used this once before. It's the Planet Revolution Clean Hydration Makeup Serum. This bodes so well under the Conceal and Define. I've got the blush from the Kindness Relove Duo. I have my Vallejo Revolution Pro Bronzer Wisp Highlighter. Relove Powder, Conceal and Define in the shade 8.5. That is everything on my face. Roxy Lashes. I don't know, it feels like there's a streak there, but there isn't. This look is one of my favorites, hands down, and that's because this palette worked so well. I had no issues with it. My little sister's got bored and she's walked off now, so if you don't see her, I'm sorry. But oh my god, this look, I love it. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.